The state of Florida dished out some pandemic pardons today. The state clemency board voted to pardon everyone who was arrested or fined for violating any local COVID rules like mask orders, social distancing. The governor, who 1 month ago blocked local governments from enforcing such rules any longer, he spearheaded this statewide pardon effort as well. But let's go now live to Fox 13's Evan Axelbank in Tampa to explain what this means, Evan, for business owners who've already been fighting these local mandates.
Yeah, and we've spoken with bar and restaurant owners who wound up in court over the restrictions. Of course, for the most part, most of these cases have been settled, legally speaking, but this means that for fights that are still out there, well, they're now over.
To the owner of The Galley in St. Pete, this isn't just a beer. It's symbolic of a more full life.
We just all need to get together and celebrate the fact that we're in the post-pandemic phase.
He fought several City of St. Pete mask and social distancing mandates for months until May, when a court spared him from fines and from losing licenses to serve booze late at night or food outside.
If you want to wear a mask or you want to be extra cautious, that's still your prerogative, but it's time for us to move on.
The State Clemency Board agreed, voting 3-1 today to scrap any outstanding fines or arrests over local COVID-19 measures. It's unclear how many cases that would apply to, but 2 Broward County gym owners were in attendance who were arrested several times. They'll have their cases thrown out.
We see all these criminal activities that's actually going on that we need to be stronger on, and yet we're wasting time for somebody that's owning a gym.
But mayors and county commissioners statewide have insisted it was their measures that saved the lives of Floridians. The lone vote against the pardons was cast by Nikki Fried, who was running against the governor in 2022.
All he's using this as a grandstand and to, again, spew his misinformation about how he dealt with COVID.
Aside for the preview of a political fight for both the governor's office and with local officials over whether new measures can ever be implemented, there is an easing of the minds of business owners, even if cases were already thrown out.
Last year was no time to get fined at all with just the struggles we had in our business, but for us it was about the punitive damages of prospectively losing our cafe license.
The governor has signed legislation that goes into effect on July 1st that banned local governments from issuing anything other than narrow emergency health orders. The provision that he signed also gives him the right to invalidate any that he deems go too far. Chris.
Evan Axelbank live for us tonight in Tampa. Thanks, Evan.